in Java, and the assignment is week 1 programming assignment. Okay, so totally we'll be having 5 programming assignment in under week 1. So let us go with my first assignment. Okay, so what is assignment? Complete the code snippet. So you'll be getting a code here, so that will check it out. So what is the question for? To find a perimeter and area of a circle. So first you should know the formulas of perimeter and area of a circle. Okay, for what? For a given radius value. So a value will be given, and for that you are going to do it. Okay, now his requirement is, so let me go with what is a perimeter of circle. What is the formula of perimeter of circle? So the perimeter of circle is 2 pi r. So remember, the formula for perimeter is 2 pi r, and for the area is pi r square, right? So what is pi value? So by default, you'll be taking as 3.14 and 1 and so on. So he said that don't take this value. So please use a constant for this pi. And the constant to be used is math.pi. So pi is a constant. So it's a static variable. Everyone knows that, right? It's a static variable. So static variables must be called with the class. And the class is what? Math. So instead of pi, wherever you want to use pi, replace that pi with math.pi. Clear? So this is a constant to be used. And this is the formula. Okay. Then he has given one more condition. Just find this perimeter and circle, perimeter of a circle and area of circle only when your radius is 0 or less than 0, then print please enter non-zero positive number. So simply he's saying that if your radius is greater than 0, then only find perimeter and area. So I think you have understood the query properly. Now let us go and solve the problem. Okay. Right. So this is a snippet code already given to us. So what are the variables he created already? So he has created a variable radius and he's taking the radius directly. So you are not responsible to take any input. Okay, right? So it will be taken, right? So radius is a variable we created, and perimeter is created, and area variables are created. Now what we should do? We just need to write a code to calculate the perimeter and calculate the area. Okay. So please be careful while writing the code. So what is the formula here? So let me go with this step. So already I discussed what is the formula of perimeter. So let me write the perimeter formula. So perimeter, already the variable is created. So perimeter is equal to 2 pi r, right? So 2 into, so instead of pi, what I should use? Math dot pi. 2 pi r square. So 2 pi r, 2 pi r. So just go with what r is, what? Radius. So radius. Done with this one. So we calculated the perimeter, and then he said to calculate the area. So area is equal to, what is the formula? Pi r square. So instead of pi, what I should use? Math dot pi into pi r square. So means what? Radius into radius. So radius into radius. Okay, then I'm closing it. But look at this. We have finished finding out the perimeter and area of a circle. But please remember, he has given a condition. What is the condition? Radius is 0 or less. Please don't find it. And you should get what? Please enter non-zero positive number. So this is what the error I need to get. Means what? This is the output I should get if my radius is not greater than 0. So I should perform this operation if my radius is greater than 0, then only I should perform this operation. That is what the code he has written. So he told me that if your radius is greater than 0, perform the perimeter and so on. Okay. If it is not, what I should do? I need to perform something. So that something is, he want a message, right? You just copy this because they will be what? Case sensitive also. Please be careful, because if when you're typing, if it is a case sensitive also, you'll get a wrong, you'll get a as a wrong output. So please be careful. So I want to print this message, system.out.print, system.out.print. So what is the message I want to give? So I want to provide the message that he has provided, semicolon. So done with the else block. So we found the perimeter and area. Now we need to print that. So if I want to print, just look at the output, how they want it. So they want to print the perimeter and the area. So perimeter and area should be in the next line, right? So just go with system dot out dot println, because I want to go to the next line. So I'm using println. So what he wants to print? The value of perimeter. So perimeter is saved in the variable perimeter, and I'm closing it out. Then I'll go with what? Next same system.out.println. So what I want to print? I want to print the area. I want to print the area, but there is no other line. So I'll be using print method. I'm using print method. So done with the code. So what we have done? We check the condition. If radius is greater than 0, I need to find a perimeter area. Then I want to print the perimeter and area. If it is not, then I need to print the message that he is desiring. Okay. So now let us go and submit the answer. Compile and run it. So taking some time. Right. So it has been compiled. So let us check what is the output. Yes, he said that you have passed it with no errors. Means what? The expected is the same and have gone with the same actual output. So println is going with the next line. Here just use print only. If you use println, then you will get a error. Please be careful even with the output, exact output. So this is a passed one. Thanks for watching, and if you want more updates of like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.